Alright, how's it going, guys? My name is David and I'm here to show you how to generate your own roster, make it look pretty for printing, and ultimately how to print it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, what you want to do is you want to sign on to your OSIS account. From there, you're going to see this page. You're going to be on your dashboard and navigate to My OSIS menu. Then go down to Class Roster and click that. Now you're going to be taken to this page. Go to section number and just type in media, just MEDP really. From there you're going to see all the different media classes and all the different sections from media 10 all the way up to 51. So find your section and click it. Now what you don't want to do is click PDF legal size or letter size, because ultimately you will have a lot of excess space for your roster when you're printing. So you're going to have to go to Excel and click that. And it's going to download. But the thing is, it's going to download as a JSP. So what you want to do is locate in your downloads folder. Click this and replace JSP with XLS. So it could be registered by Excel. So click that and then open it in Excel and click OK. Now from there, the beauty of Excel is that it's very flexible. So you could see from the first date, February 1st, we'll click this and then hold Shift and then go to the last section and then click this, so it selects all of them. And then we'll go to this divider up here. Just make sure you see the black line with the left and right arrows. From there you could just, you can move it around. You can move it to the left, move it to the right, make it more pretty, and ultimately save you some paper. You could also, let me move this a little over here. You could also change the vertical spacing by clicking 3, holding Shift, going out to 22, and then once again moving it up or down. Let me just undo that because it looks a little clogged. I think this, nope. Let's try it once more. That should be fine. Now, go to File and then Print. But we're not done yet. We have to set up some more things. From there, go to Page Setup. You want to, on Page, you want to hit Landscape. This is ultimately going to fill it out on the paper itself, make it look nice and neat. Then go to Sheet, and for columns to repeat at left, click this little sheet right here, and click under the name column. So it will be B. Just click that. Basically what this is going to do is when you go to the next page, because it's not going to be one full page, it's going to make sure the name carries over to the students and the columns. So after that, you click this right here, and then go to Options. For paper size, click US Legal, and then click OK. Now from there, you're almost done. Hit OK. And you'll see page 1 of 2 is going to be 2 pages. It's very hard to notice, but up here, this is going to be the names, and it transfers over to the second page over here. But there's a lot of excess space, so let's see if we can clear that up a bit. And this is why I say the beauty of Excel shines, because you could just position these just ever so slightly some more. And let's go check out that print preview again. So go to Print. And it fills up a little more. Obviously, I could like fill it out a little more so it could be up to around this area, but this is just a general overview. And from there, you click Print, and that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that is how to set up your own roster and to make it look pretty for printing. See you guys later. Thanks.